Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cat toilet from Skibidi Toilet. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off in the center and let's draw the eyes. Let's draw a curve up on the left and on the right. And then let's add a curve underneath each one. Next, inside each eye, let's add a circle. And then another circle inside each of these on the top right. And then color the inside of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move into the center and draw the nose. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a small triangle shape like this. And then color it in black. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out on both sides. And then a curve underneath in the center. Now let's hop out and draw the shape of the head. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across in the center. Then let's curve it down on both sides. And then let's curve it down to the center to close off the bottom of the head. Now on both cheeks, let's draw 3 curves for the whiskers. Next, let's move inside and let's draw the pattern on the face. For the inside of the eyes, let's draw a curve up on both sides like this. And then move back down to the eyes again and let's draw a curve down to the sides of the mouth. And lastly, for the head, let's add the ears on top. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. And then curve it back down. And now let's do the same thing for the right ear. Next, let's hop inside and from the top, let's draw a curve down. And then 2 pointed V shapes at the bottom. And that's it for the ears. Now let's hop down under the head and let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. And that's it for the cat. Now let's start drawing the shape of the toilet. Underneath the head, let's draw a long curve across. Then from the top, let's bring it back in on both sides. Now let's hop to the ends and let's draw a small line down on both sides like this. And now underneath, let's draw a slightly longer rounded rectangle. We'll start with a curve across, then curve it down on both sides, and then a curve across to close off the bottom. Next, underneath, let's draw a long U-shaped curve for the toilet bowl. And then underneath, let's draw 2 lines down. And then a curve across the bottom for the base. And that's it for the bottom part of the toilet. Now let's move up and let's draw the toilet seat. From the sides of the neck, let's draw another line out. And the same on the right. Now let's draw a long U-shaped curve up and back down to form the shape of the toilet seat. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a circle on the top left and the top right. And then let's hop down and let's draw another set of circles on the sides here. And that's it for the toilet seat. Now let's draw the water tank. From the sides of the toilet bowl, let's draw a small line out on both sides. And then bring it up. Now at the top, let's draw a line out, bringing it out further on both sides. And then from the ends, let's curve it up. And then bring it back in. Lastly, inside on the top left, let's draw the flush. Let's draw a line across. Then bring it up, over, and then a curve. And that's it for the cat toilet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!